I have here this Ulanzi Mini tripod, just put from Amazon. So it's a flexible tripod, and the capacity is about 1.2 kilograms. So this is ideal for cell phones and small camera like the Gopro. So this legs is bendable, it's flexible, and the rubber material used was it's kind of nice. You can see the footage, also very nice. It's nicely constructed. So this one is made of plastic, the base of the leg, and this ball head. This is made of aluminum. And maybe the head, the ball itself is made of aluminum, so it's very light. This top head, this is made of plastic. So what happened is the way you use this one is this comes with this standard 1/4 inch thread, and you can put any kind of gadgets that has that kind of size 1/4 inch thread. Now if you want to use this for cell phone holder, you can pull this out like this, and there you go. So you have this flexible mounting. It's a little bit windy here right now, so I'm here at Canada Place. It's afternoon here, about 6 o'clock. Now this is the perfect place for me to review this mini tripod.
I could never get enough of this old pier. All the crashing sound of the breaking waves down here. Now I've been sitting here most of the day. Don't know why it's so hard to tear myself away. I can almost hear the ocean talking to me, saying, what are you you.